In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a database in Firebase. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to either start a new project or of course open an existing one inside Firebase. So I'm just going to click on this one over here, which is just a tutorial project. And then what you have to do to basically create a database, over here on the left, it says product categories, and under this, it says databases and storage. So in here, you have like a bunch of different options. I'm just going to click on real-time database over here. Then from here, you can click on create database, and it's going to pop up this window over here where you'll be able to basically get started by creating your database. So you have to first set it up. You have to select your real-time database location. I have 3 right now. I'm just going to use the US Central one. Then I'm going to click on next, and here you have your security roles. You can start in test mode or in locked mode. I'm just going to start in locked mode and click on enable, and there we go. It's going to start loading for a few seconds, and there we go. You'll see that your database has now been created. Okay, now in here, of course, you have the option to then see data, rules, you have backups, usage, extensions, etc. Okay, but that's essentially how to do this. And then over here on the left, you can always go to a database and storage and real-time database, and you'll be able to find it in here. You also will get a project shortcut almost definitely over here, which you can use to basically get in here anytime you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.